So how to install Colorado PERA app? So just tap get and then double click to install, and then you will be able to install the app like that. So here you have that. Manage your PERA account anytime, any place with our easy to use mobile app. Log in to make quick changes to your account, view up-to-date benefit information or submit forms, track progress towards your retirement goals by viewing your projected monthly benefit, account balance, salary and service credit, update your account information, including beneficiary, tax withholding, and electronic communication preferences. It actually works really well. So yeah, this app doesn't have that many ratings, but yeah, you can just download it, and then you need to log in with your account with user ID and password. Please use your user ID to log on. If you have not set up per user profile, register as a new user. You can also just tap forgot user ID, and then to register as a new user, you just need to accept terms of service, and then there is some contact information, first, last name, date of birth, social security number, email, and then from here you can just continue. So you will need to have your social security number ready, and then you just continue with registration.